How to clean a diamond ring. A diamond ring brings a sentimental glimmer to the eye and a dazzling brilliance to the hand as it catches the light. With their stylish cuts to their sparkle that's second to none and the fact that each and every stone is unique, it's little wonder that diamonds are universally adored. But, without routine cleaning, diamond rings can lose their shine and become dull. While most jewelers offer cleaning and polishing services, it isn't always convenient to make the trip. Luckily, all it takes is a little know-how. Here, we're sharing tips for how to clean a diamond ring at home and instructions for keeping your diamond jewelry sparkling with just a couple of cleaning products you probably already have on hand. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to using soapy water, using the quick dip method, and using an ultrasonic cleaning machine. Now let's get started. Things you'll need. 1. Soap. 2. Quick dip. Considerations before you get started. 1. Don't use a harsh cleaner like ammonia, chlorine bleach, or nail polish remover, acetone, to clean a diamond. Avoid abrasive products like toothpaste, baking soda, or powdered cleaners. 2. Don't soak the ring in a cleaning solution if it's surrounded by pearls, opals, or other soft gems. It's safe to soak the ring if it's mounted with emeralds, sapphires, or rubies. 3. Never scrub your ring with a stiff brush or scrubbing sponge. While this won't scratch the diamond, it can scratch the metal setting. 4. Ultrasonic jewelry cleaners make a diamond sparkle but can cause stones, particularly 𝒂𝒏𝒆 stones, to loosen. If you use one, have your ring checked regularly to make sure the stones are still securely in place. Method 1. Using soapy water. Number 1. Make a soap and water mixture. Squirt a little dish soap into a bowl. Fill the bowl with warm water. Swish it around a bit to produce some suds. Use a gentle dish soap, preferably one made with natural ingredients, to avoid harming your ring with chemicals. Gentle hand soap, shampoo, or body wash may also be used. You can also use a combination of equal parts window cleaner and water. Number 2. Place your ring in the bowl for 15 minutes. Let the soapy water soak into the ring. It will penetrate and loosen the dirt, dust, and grime that has built up there. Number 3. Remove your ring and examine it. If you can still see dirt buildup, you'll need to clean it further. Otherwise, you can rinse your ring in clean water. Number 4. Use a soft toothbrush to gently rub the dirt from your ring. Make sure you use a soft bristled brush, rather than medium or hard bristled, so that your ring doesn't get scratched. Scrub lightly, poking the bristles into the hard-to-reach crevices. You can use a toothpick to poke dirt out of the crevices if necessary. Number 5. Rinse the ring in cool water. Number 6. Lay it out to dry. Place your ring on a paper towel or clean cloth and let it completely dry. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Using the quick dip method. Number 1. Buy a quick dip meant for the type of diamond ring you own. Quick dips are commercially available solutions designed to quickly clean jewelry. Different dips are made with different chemicals specifically formulated for gold, silver, or other metals. Be sure to pick out a dip that specifies use for cleaning diamond rings with the type of setting you have. Number 2. Read the label carefully. It's important to follow the instructions for using the quick dip to a T, so that you don't end up damaging your ring. Read the instructions and make sure you're clear on how to use the dip before you proceed. Number 3. Use the dip. Pour some of the dip liquid into a bowl. Place your ring in the bowl for the recommended amount of time, and no longer. Remove your ring from the bowl and let it completely dry on a soft cloth. Don't leave your ring in the dip for longer than recommended, or it may get damaged. Don't touch the diamond with your fingers until it dries. The oils on your skin may leave a film on the diamond. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Using an ultrasonic cleaning machine. Number 1. Choose an ultrasonic cleaner. These are small machines that make it easy to safely clean your jewelry in a matter of a few minutes. They are quite affordable, and similar to the types of cleaning machines used in jewelry shops. Look for cleaner made by a reputable company. Number 2. Fill the cleaner with water and detergent. Most cleaning machines come with a metal cup that is filled with water and a detergent to clean your jewelry. Follow the instructions and fill the cleaning machine with the appropriate amount of solution. Number 3. Place your ring in the cleaner and close it. Be sure it's assembled correctly and closed properly. Number 4. Remove your ring after the recommended time. It should be clean within just a minute or two, don't leave it inside for longer than necessary. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips for carrying your diamond ring. 1. Remove your ring while cooking. While cooking with your partner is romantic, damaging your ring is not. Food and other oils can get stuck in or cause discoloration. Depending on the setting of your stone, food can be near impossible to remove. 2. If you know that you're going to do something labor-intensive, take off your ring and put it in a safe place. Why? Well, if you bang your ring onto something hard enough, you could chip the band, loosen the setting, or completely lose the diamond or stone. 3. If you have a warranty, it's important to be proactive and stay up to date on your maintenance appointments with a reputable jeweler. Warnings. 1. These methods should not be used on gemstones other than diamonds. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.